Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening settings and moving straight to accessibility or display. This is where color controls live. Tap color filters or vision and select grayscale or monochrome. That change forces the screen to only show shades of gray. Once enabled, apps and images become desaturated instantly, which reduces visual stimulation and can save tiny amounts of power. Make sure notifications and lock screen reflect the change. If not, stay here and proceed to the next step to persist the mode. Continue by creating a fast toggle so you can switch grayscale on and off without hunting settings. On iOS, add color filters to the accessibility shortcut, then triple-click the side or home button. On Android, add a monochrome or color correction tile to quick settings, or use a scheduled digital well-being/bedtime rule to flip colors at set hours. Once done, test the shortcut from the home screen to ensure it reliably triggers grayscale and returns to color when you need it. Finish by verifying the grayscale across several apps and the lock screen. This confirms a system-wide change. If colors still appear, restart your device. That often resolves permissions and UI caching issues. If problems persist, return to accessibility and reset the color filters, or remove and re-add the quick settings tile. That typically clears misconfigured shortcuts. One key tip: if only one app stays in color, check the app's own display settings and permissions before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.